Steve. What differentiates Soundproof Atlanta from other soundproofing or noise blocking companies and products?
Well, we provide tasteful soundproofing solutions, and in our business we're told that we're kind of unique and basically in a small business. We are a boutique company that focuses on the finding what the problem is, researching it, finding a problem, researching it, putting together a solution, and do the installation and supplying the materials. This is a little bit unique in this industry. A lot of companies want to sell the materials but do not get involved in the installation or proper installation or troubleshooting of the assemblies that are installed.